welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making pakora. This is a spice fritter, consists of items such as spinach, potatoes, and onions, coated in a seasoned batter and deep fried. However, I'm going to be using an air fryer to cook them. So let's get started making pakora. Spinach pakora ingredients: 2 cups spinach, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of Besan flour, 1 Serrano pepper, 1/4 cup cilantro, 3/4 cup red onion, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Add spinach, red onion, cilantro, serrano pepper, garlic paste, ginger paste. Give it a mix. Masala time. Add chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt to taste. Give it a mix. After all the ingredients have been mixed, cover with cling wrap. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Next, add Besan flour, rice flour, 1 tablespoon oil. Give it a mix. 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. Brush oil over the rack to prevent sticking. Place the spinach pakora on the rack. Into the air fryer they go at 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Brush with oil halfway through cooking. Look at these mouth-watering pakora. Onion pakora ingredients: 2 red onions, 4 tablespoons of Besan flour, 2 potatoes, 1/4 cup cilantro, 4 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 serrano pepper. Next is the onion pakora. Add onions, salt to taste. Begin to crush the onions so they become soft. Add potatoes. Continue to crush it all together. Add cumin seeds, turmeric powder, chili powder, Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Mix it together. Add cilantro, serrano pepper. Continue to crush it all together. Rice flour, Besan flour, brush oil on the rack. Place the onion pakora on the rack. brush with oil. Place into the air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Look at these mouth-watering pakora. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love pakora. It's so crunchy, flavorful, making it the best appetizer. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to give your support. And of course, I will see you guys on my next video.